Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. In this class, we are going to see 4.11 and 4.12. Let's enjoy the class. Okay. So, in a chamber, a uniform magnetic field of 6.5 Gauss. Okay. So, the magnetic field is 6.5 Gauss. So now Gauss is converted into Tesla. So that 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Okay. This is the uniform magnetic field. An electron is shot out into the space with a speed of 4.8. Okay. So V equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Normal to the field. Okay. So calculate what happens. Okay. So F equal to BQV sin theta. Okay. When theta equal to 90, then sin 90 equal to 1. So 1 into something. So F equal to BQV. Okay. Now an electron is shot out into the space. So then for instead of charge Q, we can substitute BeV. Okay. Now we can calculate the value of force. F equal to B. So what is the value of B? 6.5. 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into E. So what is the magnitude of charge? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Into velocity. So what is the value of velocity? 4.8. So 4.8 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now 6.5 into 1.6 into 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 19 plus 6. Then the value of force is. Okay. So F equal to 49.4 into 10 to the power plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 minus 90 minus 17. So this much of force. Okay. So in this question, what else we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate the radius. Okay. So what is the radius? Okay. So F equal to BQV sin theta. Okay. Then F equal to, it experiences a centripetal force, that is mv squared by r. Now LHS are equal, so RHS are equal, or otherwise we calculated the value of force. Okay. So the division R comes to this as multiplication. The multiplication F comes to this as division. So we can calculate. Okay. So radius R equal to mv squared by F. Okay. M. So what is M? Mass of electron. So what is the mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into velocity. Okay. So what is the velocity? 4.8. 4.8 into 10 to the power 6, the whole square. Okay. Now F. So what is the value of F? 49.4 into 10 to the power minus 17. Okay. So the value of radius is 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. Now what happens to the path? Okay. So we are applying a uniform magnetic field. In a uniform magnetic field, when we are placing a charge, it experiences a magnetic Lorentz force. Because of that force, it experiences a centripetal force. Okay. Now, the velocity remains changes. So, it moves along the circular path. Okay. So, in the next question, from 4.11, obtain the value of frequency. Okay. So, how we can calculate the value of frequency? So, F equal to BQV sin theta. If theta equal to 90, then sin 90 equal to 1. So, 1 into something, then it becomes B. For instead of charge Q, we can substitute E. So BEV. It experiences a centripetal force. So MV squared by R. So when LHS are equal, then automatically RHS are equal. So MV squared by R equal to BEV. Now V and V getting cancelled. Okay. So MV by R equal to B into E. So what is V? Velocity. Now it moves along the circular path because the velocity remains constant. The force only changes. Because of that, it moves along the circular path. So V equal to R omega. So for instead of V, we can substitute R omega. So M into V. So what is the value of V? R omega. So R omega divided by R into BE. Now R and R getting cancelled. Okay. But what we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate the frequency. Okay. So omega equal to 2 pi mu. So by taking omega, we can substitute 2 pi. So M into 2 pi mu equal to B into E. Okay. So keep the frequency in the same sign. So BE. So multiplication 2 pi m goes to the right side as division. 2 pi m. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? Okay. So no, sir, எனக்கு இது எல்லாமே தெரியும் sir. Straight away I want to go to the formula. அப்படின்னா straight away you can go to the formula and substitute the answer. Okay. Okay. Now B is the magnetic field. So 6.5 Gauss. So 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into E, magnitude of charge of electron. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 2 into pi. Pi value is 3.14 into M. So what is M? Mass of electron. So what is mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Okay. So the value of frequency is 18.18 into 10 to the power 6. So many hertz. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.